Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about a continuation of operation management. A video of continuation from previous slide. Yes, we have seen about what is operation management, what is the scope of operation management, important and value of operation management, and nature of operation management, and role of operational manager. So these are the things we have seen in previous class. So previous videos. Now we are going to see about primary and secondary function of operation management. So if you take what are the primary function and secondary functions of operation management. If you take primary functions of operation management, finance, operation strategy, and product design and maintaining quality. These are the basic thing. So if it is a secondary function as material, method, equipments, tools and things, the machineries, equipments, loading, scheduling and routing, these are the furthermore functions of operation management. So next is operation process. Supplier. The supplier is a person who gives the raw material to the manufacturer. After supplier, the raw material as an input or inventory. Next is production process using people, equipment, tools, and things. Next is output, a finished good without any waste, and a kind of distribution, and it has to be reached customer. This is the operation process, a normal simple operation process. Yes, sir. So now we are going to see about a transformation of operation management. There will be a number of inputs. From that input, we will be converting into it output. There will be transformational process will be involved in operation management. If you take inputs like energy, material, raw material, people, human power, equipments, tools, information, capital, other machineries, technologies. These are the inputs, the kind of transformational process or transformation. After the process, it will converted into products like goods or service. So this is we will be calling as a transformational process. This is the advanced transformational process where input like raw material, machineries, customers, customer labor, management, capital, information. There will be a lot of inputs where the transformational process where it involves about environment management, employees, things. So transformational process is a effective and efficient process has to be strict on so that we can come out with a desired output like goods and service. From that we can able to take the feedback from the customer, and once again as an feedback we can change our input and transformational process accordingly. The outcome is purely a customer and consumer has to be satisfied and has to add value to it. That's the important one. Next is a few characteristics that distinguish goods and service. So there is a product and there is certain services. If you take goods like goods means you should know about what is good, what is service. Goods is tangible one. Service is non-tangible. Tangible means which is touchable. Goods can be touchable like salt, computer, restaurant, and a kind of cloth and so on. If it is a service, a kind of haircutting like or airplanes or railway service, teaching, investment advice. Likewise, these are a kind of uh, service. So a few characteristics of goods and services we are going to see. So goods are always tangible, service always intangible in nature, and low customer involvement in goods, high customer involvement in service, because uh, human power or skilled assets will be high on service. Low quality control problems. Here are the services having high quality control problem, easy to evaluate. Product can be easily evaluated, and if you take service is hard to evaluate. And if you take inventories, the kind of production process where goods can be produced, where inventories will be more. If you take a service where there is no inventory, because based on the technological improvement and based on the human resource, there won't be any most of the inventories involved in service industries, and no time criteria for goods, but it's strictly time criteria where service is praised based on the time constraints. So strictly time criteria or service always service like things they always focus on are strictly prohibited to the time. If it is goods, it's not no time criteria will be there, but it's a tangible one. And if you take goods, low importance to the contact person. Even few products, it's get connected to the human or the customer or consumer. If it is a service, it's highly important to have a contact point. That's more important in service. So this is all about goods and service. Thank you all.